three, let's go!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Bawa. If you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi, I'm Revati. I'm a part-time YouTuber and a full-time dentist. And if you're not new, then some of you commented on my previous videos in which I spoke about my Brazilian wax experience, and also I spoke about nipple pastry, and you told me to do more of these kind of videos, basically more girl talk kind of videos. So I thought of bringing a new series on my channel, which I have named Girl Talk with Ray, presenting you the first episode. I am so excited to start this new series on my channel. So in today's first episode of Girl Talk with Rave, I'm going to be talking all about a toilet seat sanitizer by Everteen, and I'm sure you're really interested in hearing all about Everteen's toilet seat sanitizer. So before starting the video, I would like to say please go and hit that subscribe button, because it would literally mean the world to me. So please go and hit on that red colored subscribe button. And now, without any further ado, let's just get right away into the video. So guys, by now I'm sure you know what this toilet seat sanitizer is and why you need it, at least from the previous clip. I'm pretty sure you have figured it out. So yeah, so let's start talking about this Everteen's toilet seat sanitizer, a must-have product and a savior in all women's lives. So this toilet seat sanitizer is a 90 ml bottle, and as you can tell, it's literally so tiny and so cute, right? It is really very small and could fit in literally any purse possible. Even your small wallet, it would fit even in that, even in your jeans pocket. This is that tiny, this is that portable, and this is that handy. Originally this is for 185 rupees, which is also cheap, right? It's really very inexpensive, and now it's on sale and you can get this on their website for rupees 176. So go on www.everteen.co.in and you will get it on sale at the moment as well. So go get your hands on this product, because this is a must-have product to all the women watching my video right now. This is a safe, effective and an instant disinfectant spray. Like this immediately will kill all the germs present on the cupboard and save you from getting any UTI. As I've already mentioned, it is very tiny, very lightweight as well. It's portable and you could literally put it anywhere and you could carry it with yourselves everywhere. So this is the tiniest bag that I own, and this fits literally in this as well. So you can see it fits inside very well and you are good to go wherever you want to take it with you. Now this is a regular sized wallet, as you can see, and this will literally fit in this as well. I'm gonna show you because I believe in proving what I say. So as you can see, it fits even in my this tiny wallet as well. It is that portable and lightweight, and literally this wallet still feels really lightweight. Literally this toilet seat sanitizer is that handy and that portable. So this toilet seat sanitizer right here will kill all the germs present on the cupboard in 5 literal seconds after you spraying it on the cupboard. So while there are no germs gonna be present once you spray this toilet seat sanitizer before peeing, and I'm sure now you will be tempted to buy this toilet seat sanitizer after hearing how it's gonna save you from getting any urinary tract infection. So that is its main goal, to to prevent you from getting any urinary tract infections after using the public restroom. And if you think that after applying this on the cupboard and after you sitting on it you're gonna get any skin related issues, then worry not, all my babies watching, because this is a dermatologically tested product. So there you go. Now you can use it without any worries and without any tension of getting any skin related issues after having this spray on your ass. So don't worry, this baby right here will save you from all the urinary tract infections. And also you could spray this on the doorknobs or on the on the flush lever, like all those places where the public or the people basically touch while you're using the restroom. You could spray this and then touch it. Like if you are someone who's like really worried about touching places that people have touched, and basically you don't want to catch or touch any germs, then you could just spray it all over those places just for your safety. So this is such a savior, right? It will save you from all the germs and infectious diseases that you could catch while you're using a public restroom. Now I'm gonna tell you how to use. It's no rocket science how to use, but I'll just tell you because I want you to know everything related to it. So basically shake well before using it, shake well, and then spray it all over the cupboard or the area that you want to spray when you're before you sit on it, and then wait for 5 seconds patiently. Literally wait for 5 seconds, and then you could sit and pee without worrying about anything at all. So now all the precautions that you need to take after buying this product is store it in a cool place. Don't forget to store it in a cool place, and also don't spray it in temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius. Now that temperature is really high, so if you spray it in that temperature, then it might cause fire, because you understand, right? It's a spray, and in that high temperature it will definitely cause combustion. So don't use this in temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius. Also keep it away from children, because you know children might do anything with it, and it could be a really devastating condition or a situation if you keep it near children's reach. So don't forget to keep it away from a child's hands reach. And also, even after this product is empty, don't poke it or break it or do anything with it. Basically what I mean is, don't pinch the can or burn the can after it's empty, otherwise there will be a terrific situation. So don't do it. If there are some open wounds or cuts or anything, then don't use this spray on it. And also, if after using this there will definitely be no skin conditions, skin rashes or anything happening, but in case still if it happens, then discontinue using this product, because you don't want to take a risk. So if after using this product you have any skin related issues, then don't use it. It is not going to happen because this is dermatologically tested, as I've mentioned earlier, but everybody's skin type is different, so you cannot tell what thing would affect what. So don't use it or discontinue using it if you think it's not working out for you. So that is all I have to say for the precautions you'll have to take for using this toilet seat sanitizer. And by now I'm sure you know how handy and how important and how necessary this product is, because guys, I do not want to get a UTI because of using the public restroom, and I'm sure like me nobody else wants to. So we should definitely sanitize the place before using it. So I never knew that there was a product that was there in the market that could do that job. So here I am now after knowing that there is a product, and I want to share it out with you guys as well. All my girlies watching, I want to share this product, so even you know that there is a product in the market that could get sanitization done at ease and without any menace. So yeah, I wanted to just share it with you guys. And guys, there is literally nothing much to say about this. I've covered everything that you guys need to know before buying this product. It's really cheap, really portable, and really convenient, and everything is amazing about this product. There are no cons, so I am not saying any cons, because there is literally no con of this product. So guys, go get your hands on this product, Everteens Toilet Seat Sanitizer. I hope you enjoy using this, because I definitely am going to enjoy using it. So this is it for my video, you guys. I hope this video was fun watching, and more than fun, I hope it was useful. I hope this was informational, and I hope this product changes your life and is a savior in many ways. And I hope you share it with all your girlfriends, all the women in your life, because they'll be really grateful to you if you share this video, because it's gonna be a savior. This video is gonna be a savior for all the women watching, and also this product, more importantly, is gonna be a savior. So don't forget to share it with all the women present in your life. And with that said, I'll see you in my next video on Friday, which will be yet another Everteens product and yet another Girl Talk with Rave episode. So I'll see you soon. Until Friday, take care, stay safe, and mwah! Bye bye.